Hello everyone. So it's been a while since I posted my last video, and that's because I've spent the last couple of weeks working on another event, and I'm finally ready to tell you all about it. This event will be a 3-hour CTF-style competition where you're going to have to build a solution to deploy a 3-tier application to AWS using Docker. This competition will be broken down into multiple challenges, and every challenge tackles a small piece of the solution. Now, for each challenge that you complete, you're going to earn points, and the 3 teams that have the most amount of points will win prizes. So this will be not only a great opportunity to learn Docker, but also to connect and collaborate with people all over the world. If you're interested in participating, here's what you can do. So for this event, I'm going to be working with the OWASP DevSlop project. Search for their group on meetup.com, join the group, and then you're going to see an event called DevSlop Game Day, a DevOps CTF. So first thing, RSVP to the event here on meetup.com. Then in the details section, there is a registration link, which is devslopctfd.io. And if you go to that link, this is what you're going to see. This is our registration page, and this is where you can find all the information about the event. If you have colleagues or friends that would like to participate at the event as well, we're looking for teams up to 4 people. But if you are on your own, what you can do is to join our Discord server, which you can find a link here at the top. And there we're going to have a dedicated channel to finding teammates. Now, in terms of what you need for the event, the only thing you're going to need is a DockerHub account. So in the prerequisite section, there is a link to DockerHub. So if you click on here, that's going to take you to hub.docker.com. If you don't have an account, you can just sign up using this form. And that's it. You don't even need Docker installed in your machine because we're going to be providing everything you need. So to register, here at the top, there is a register button. So just create a username, put your email, create a password, and then your Discord username. So we're going to be inviting you to Discord later. And just click on submit. The event is going to happen on Sunday, December 6th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. And we're going to start with the live stream on YouTube. Here on the right, you can see a link. So if you click on this, that's going to take you to our live stream. And once the competition starts, we're going to be communicating with all the teams on Discord. We're going to be announcing prizes very soon on Twitter. So if you want to know more, make sure to follow my channel there and also the OWASP DevSlop project. All right, so that's it. Register your team today, and we can't wait to see you there.